The Charger let us out.
What?
The Charger let us out. The Challenger let us out. Yeah, that's what it was. Rip that hoe back. Like I went, ah!
How'd that feel? Feel good?
What's up?
Feel good?
Yeah, it felt great. I had to hold that bitch up. Out here drifting.
Huh?
Out here drifting. I just saw you go, rah! I was like, oh shit.
I hit that bump and I was like, yeah.
Oh shit, damn. I just think they're going like that, you know what I'm saying? I don't give a fuck. It's my bike. If I want to have sex with my bike, I will.
Some people fold.
Damn right. Oh boy. Just a little bit of wheelie practice for you guys. Yeah. I will talk to you after. How dare you? What's up, dude? Fucking, I knew it. I saw the gold. I was like, hell yeah, we're parking right here.
I freaking love it.
Bay Rider sticker looking great as always. You know what I'm saying?
I need to get another one for the side.
Hell yeah.
Another gold one.
Yeah? I just cleaned my small sprocket and that shit was annoying as fuck.
Oh.
Like I had to take everything off. I had to take my gear shit, like my little fucking peg. I had to take that out. Fucking, I had to take my my throttle cable apart. Everything. The whole thing. The whole 9 yards. I was like, what the fuck is this? This is some bullshit. But oh well, I'm here.
Yeah.
That's what matters. What's up?
That guy come right in front of us.
Yeah, I know. I was like, what the fuck? That's why I revved. I didn't know if you saw him.
At first I didn't.
Oh shit, damn. Glad I did something. Cause like his lights were away from us and I saw like the outline. I was like, oh shit.
What the fuck? I thought it was way out.
Nope. Alright, YouTube. So, just a little ride out with Rob and some other guy that we just met on the road. Just did a little bit of wheelie practice, you know. I actually got up there on one of them. Maybe two of them, I think, was decent, you know. So, I'm getting there. Slowly getting there. You guys are going to be able to see progress from day 0. So, enjoy the clips for that. I'm gonna post them out as shorts so you can enjoy that too. I'm gonna try and see if I can collab with him, get some videos of his point of view, put him into my video. You know, that might be interesting. Wanted to try that for a little bit now, so this time we get to do that. Other than that though, I guess this is the soul part of the Soul Rider Sully. Just appreciate everybody for sticking around. Got some stuff going on in my life, you know, usually. This time, sometimes not so usual, but it's okay. We're gonna get through it, and we're gonna continue to make content for you guys. You know, I'm gonna continue to do the best I can for everybody and myself as well. So, yeah, huge shout out to my subscribers. You know what I'm saying, for genuinely being there for me. Some of those comments, you have no idea how much the little bits and pieces of like, hey man, you're doing great, cool story, you know what I'm saying? Those help me out a lot. And on top of that, the people that reach out to me on Instagram and TikTok that is like, yo, you want to collab sometimes, blah 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 blah, you know, those are really good ones. And then the creators I've met, huge shout out to them, for especially Joey the Human. He helps me out a lot. showing me, like, at least making me understand wheelies better. So now that I can get them, it's a little bit easier. So we're on the road. We're on the road to greatness, and I hope all of you stick around to see it. I will always appreciate my day ones. We'll always remember these days and appreciate these times. Again, thank you guys for hanging out. Not so squidding anymore, guys. I got fucking armor on, you know what I'm saying? I got armor there, but I don't use that thing because that thing's fucking chunky. But yeah, I like this. This is nice. It's got the back mat, you know, fucking shoulders, elbows, and it's really thick, so it's nice to use sometimes. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you don't, tell me. Ask me if you want to see something, and I'll definitely do it if I can. If I'm physically able to, I will. But other than that, deuces, YouTube.